So we got Mr. Ninja Assassin, aka Rain, and Mr. JYP himself. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Too Grown, because I'm obviously too grown for these reactions. And today we have some more JYP slash Rain. That's right, today's Friday, so we got something twice related today. You know, it's not twice, but it is twice related. We got Mr. JYP and Rain doing a song called Switch to Me. I heard that our girls from Twice did a thing that was kind of a parody to this MV. So I definitely got to check the original out. I already like Rain from Ninja Assassins. I don't know him from anywhere else. And JYP got some tracks like Still Alive. So I am down to view this. Check this out with you, the squad. I brought the full bottle of water. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get right into this.
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되시니까.
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데.
Rain is a really good looking dude. I mean, so is JYP, but I remember Rain in Ninja Assassin with the abs.
넌 수단과 방법을 안 가리니까.
He had long hair though in that movie. Like real long hair. Wait, do they have the same date? They got the same date, bro?
네가 너무 아까워 네 남자를 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아.
Wait a minute, bro. Are they gonna like go back and forth and they're gonna try to compete? They're gonna try to compete for this woman? Is that what's going on here? I can't tell. But JYP's voice, bro, and the snippet of Rain's voice right there, I had no idea Rain has some vocals here. I knew JYP had this. I'm the right one for you. It's like 80s? Yo, what is JYP wearing? Yeah, no, see, I remember Rain with the abs, bro. Rain had to show his abs off again, bro. Rain still got it, bro. He still got it, bro. How old is Rain, dude? I feel like Ninja Assassin came out in like 08 or 09, bro. Am I tripping? I feel sorry, bro. But I want his place. How does he treat you? JYP is so extra, bro. JYP is so extra, bro. He's so extra, bro. Come on, man. How can you compete with this man? He's doing so extra, bro. I like this classic beat. Telling me all of Rain's fits? This is a different jacket. Are you just gonna show abs, bro? You just gonna make me, you know? you just gonna you're gonna do JYP like that and myself like that, bro? I think JYP got some abs though. I don't have abs. Yo. Okay, I'm gonna be real. As much as I love JYP, I know JYP more. You know, JYP gave us a bunch of great groups. If it's up to me, bro, this is just, you know, again, personal preference, just my pick, bro. Rain. You got me with the body roll, bro. You got me with the body roll, bro. This. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Even after we had kids and grandkids? This man popped up like an alligator, bro. And he knew it. Like, look at his smile, bro. He goes, I know I got the body, bro. I'm gonna pop out of this water, bro. And flex the bod, bro. He knew exactly what he was doing. Gold rings like a maid. Hey, I know this is supposed to be a funny MV, bro. I can see it. I can see the whole funniness to this, but this is actually a dope song, bro. I'm putting it on the playlist, and the lyrics are actually some real stuff, bro. This man is so extra. He's so extra. He's so extra. He's so extra. He's so extra. Did an act on table, bro. Hey, this is a great collab, bro. That was dope. Oh, who's she gonna pick though? Who's she gonna pick though? Is that Psy? His name's Psy, right? The Gangnam Style guy? Bro, bravo on this MV. It's hilarious. The song is dope. That's a funny ending, dude. Hey, this is dope, man. This is dope. That was well done, dude. That was awesome. That was a good laugh. That was a banger song, bro. That was great. Hey, I had no idea that Rain had vocals like this, bro. This is a really dope MV. It was really funny. It had great lyrics to that whole, like, you know, you got a man, but I can treat you better type vibe. They had the 80s, you know, funky, get down type of beat, bro. This is just... Overall, it was well done. It was very, very well done. I gotta get into some more Rain stuff, bro. I really, after watching this, I gotta get into some more Rain stuff. I already know about our boy JYP and what he does, but yeah, this is a great collab. Let me know what you guys thought about the Rain Switch to Me with JYP. Y'all already know what time it is, though. I love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.